Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily add subtitles to your Doodly, let's say scene or Doodly project. So what you want to do is, let's just, I don't know, add a scene, and I'm going to add a scene of right here. Why are subtitles really important? Plenty of people are watching videos without audio. Let's say they are watching a video on Facebook. Plenty of times it's important to have a subtitles in your video. So what you want to do is go to top right and click scene settings. And then on the right side, you're going to see subtitles off and on. When I'm going to have it on, you can simply write subtitles. So let's say Jessica is in the office working and preparing for the meeting, right? Click apply. Okay, now I'm going to show preview. Working and preparing for the meeting. So you can also like change it. So let's say you have like two scenes and you want to target it directly when it's going to start. But what is really important is that what you can do is to click on the scene settings and change the font color here. So I can go with the font color black and background is going to be white. So you can really change the colors and everything. Font size 28. And let's play it out. Not preview, just scene settings. Right? So this is pretty much it, how you can do it. It's like really easy. And really simple. Now, what I recommend to do is like, let's say that I want to have it only at this position. You can insert those two, or let's say what I can do is to duplicate it, or you can really play around it, right? And okay, press delete. So if you're gonna have like a lot of transitions here, so let's say I'm going to have Abraham Lincoln talking, and there is going to be like audio, and then I'm going to have Abraham. What I can do is to simply click on the scene settings. Then this is an Abraham. And this is Abraham too. Okay. And now let's play around it. Show preview. This is Abraham 2. And voila, this is Abraham. So this is pretty much it, how you can add subtitles in Doodly. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.